Guys, look, guess what? I've got too much time on my hands. Welcome everyone back to Tom's World. I'm your host Tom, and today for you I have another Christopher Ward unboxing. Today's watch is a rather special one because it's one my uncle got that's a limited edition for himself. This one's not mine. It is a C60 Trident day, date, COSC certified limited edition Christopher Ward watch. This is a gorgeous watch, I have to tell you. Definitely one of my favorites. So let's get right into the unboxing here. Alright guys, so I figured I'd go ahead and do this the way I did last time. And you can see, it's beginning. And you got your foam. And then here's your watch box. Piece of cake. You can lift that up. Christopher Ward. And then this magnetically opens up just like this. And inside you have the user manual. With all your specifications in it. Lovely picture of the watch, and just some more information on it, but it's very nice. The next thing, and what makes this watch particularly special, is the COSC certification. You have all the tolerances for the movement. And then you have the cleaning cloth, which I'm going to leave in its packaging to keep it nice. And then below that, you have the best part, which is this lovely wooden box the watch comes in because it's a special edition. This watch is the Christopher Ward C60 Trident Day Date COSC Certified Limited Edition watch. It is a Swiss-made movement, limited edition of 200 pieces, has a 25 joule self-winding mechanical chronometer. It has a day-date function, central hacking seconds, anti-shock system, unidirectional zirconia ceramic bezel, 3.4mm anti-reflective sapphire crystal, superluminova indexes and hands, screw-in crowned, wave pattern dial, signature Trident counterbalance on the second hand, screw down deep stamped 3D backplate, and unique engraved serial number. The diameter of the watch is 43 millimeters. It has a height of 13.85 millimeters. Its weight is 104 grams, and its caliber is an ETA 2836 COSC certified. The case is 3/16 L stainless steel and has a water resistance at 60 atmospheres, which is 600 meters. Its timing tolerance is -4 to +6 seconds per day. Lug to lug, this watch is 51.5 millimeters and has a strap of 22 millimeters. Well, there you have it, everyone. My unboxing and overview of the Christopher Ward C60 Trident Day Date COSC Certified Limited Edition watch. This is an incredibly beautiful timepiece, and like I said, they're only making 200 of them, so if you can get your hands on one, I definitely would. This is a beautiful watch. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you like this content and want to see more, because my uncle has almost 24 watches he wants me to review, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and look out for my next video shortly. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice one. Bye.